Have you ever wondered how your favorite streaming service knows exactly what movie to recommend next? Or how online stores seem to read your mind and show you ads for things you were just thinking about? The secret is something called big data. So, what exactly is big data? Imagine a massive, ever-growing library of information that's so huge and complex, you can't use regular tools to organize it. This data comes from everywhere: your social media posts, online shopping, GPS on your phone, and even sensors in smart home devices. It's not just about the sheer amount of data, though. It's also about how fast it's all coming in. We're talking real-time updates, and this data isn't neat and tidy. It comes in all shapes and sizes. You have structured data, like what you'd find in a spreadsheet. Then there's unstructured data, which includes everything from photos and videos to emails and tweets. The real magic happens when we analyze this mountain of information. By sifting through it, businesses can spot hidden patterns and trends. This helps them understand what customers want, make their services better, and even predict future market changes. For example, a company might analyze social media trends to launch a new product that they know people will love. To make sense of it all, experts often talk about the 5 V's of big data. First, there's volume, which is the incredible size of the data. Then, velocity, the speed at which it's created and processed. Variety refers to all the different types of data we just talked about. Veracity is about making sure the data is accurate and trustworthy. You don't want to make big decisions based on bad info. And finally, the most important one, value. This is the real-world benefit we get from all this analysis, like better products and smarter decisions. To handle this data explosion, we use powerful technologies like cloud computing and specialized software like Hadoop and Spark. These tools let us store and process enormous datasets efficiently. We also use artificial intelligence and machine learning to dig deep into the data and pull out those game-changing insights. In a nutshell, big data is transforming our world. It's the engine behind so many of the smart, personalized experiences we have every day. By turning raw information into useful knowledge, it empowers businesses, governments, and researchers to make our world more efficient and innovative. As technology keeps advancing, the power of big data is only going to grow. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this interesting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos explaining the tech that shapes our lives. See you in the next one.